So in this program, we're adding three different data types. So first, let's create a new file. Convert number string to data type to int or float. Int and float pala yan. So first, let's declare a variable. Var a is equals to single quotation 50. So string yan. Then variable b equals to 3.5, which is float. Var c equal to 40, which is integers. So para ma-convert natin yung string na data types is i-retype natin siya. Baga conversion. Tawag dyan is typecasting. Babaguhin natin yung niya, data type niya. Then sum equal variable a plus var b plus var c, then print the sum. Then run na natin yung program. So you can see yung result is 93.5. Nakuha natin yung sum, yung total. Then what if walang typecasting na ginawa? So ngayon buburahin natin yung typecasting. Then run natin yung program. Ang result niya is error kasi hindi nababasa ni Python at hindi niya nako-combine ang string to numeric data types. Kasi yung string, pang concatenation lang siya. Ang pwede lang natin i-combine is yung words kapag string. So, kailangan talaga natin yung typecasting kung gusto natin siya ma-compute. So again, ibalik natin yung typecasting. Then this time, try naman natin yung float. Then run the program. So as you can see, the result is still the same. So that's for this video.